People always say that nobody's perfect.
Nothing lasts forever.
Life isn't fair.
So why do we try to convince ourselves we're happy when underneath the surface we're told there's nothing there?
Side by side, won't you hold my hand?
Side by side, easy stride until you understand. If my grip gets too tight, Mommy is learning too.
I'm
Side by side.